wake up every morning with you in my head. Huku I have a panga, so huku tunaweza patana na nyoka, monkeys. Nimetoka kuona babu huko chini akanipea machance. So when I get out of this forest, thanks for coming to my channel. In case you're new here, hi, I am the Gazelle and welcome to my channel. So today I'm so happy to be back here. Najua mmeniss, I've missed you too, and I want to thank you for reminding me to do a video. Actually, I had taken a break from here. I was not okay and siwezi apia huku site kama siko sawa. And now I am fine. I'm trying to be fine. So as you can see, we are in the village. Actually, this is not a village. This is where adolescent hit me like a bus. So right now I'm behind. Okay, the house behind me there was our former principal's house, and this is the institution I was in when I was in primary. So when I told people I'm here, the first people waliniambia, Doki tupeleke wapi? Forest. So I want to take you to the forest, and I'm in this cape because the other day chameleon ilinipandia kwa kichwa. And not kwa kichwa, ilikuwa imenipandia, so a certain worker removed it, and now I don't want that to happen. And in the morning there were monkeys there, but now they are not there, but I managed to caption one. So I hope when I go to the forest I will see monkeys. And kindly, if you are in Kaimosi the Great, niambieni mnataka kuona nini. My friend Cedric shout out aliniambia nimuoneshe Bell. The rest told me to take them to the forest. Me mwenyewe sijui nitawapeleka wapi. This area is way so changed. If you want to visit you can come, but yeah, thank you, and make sure you get glued here because nakuanga na content. And yeah, the last content I did was on farming. So if you're interested in farming, nasikia majogoo zinalialia huko, you can go and check it out. And if you have any ideas of what I should do, I want to thank you all for being here, getting glued here. Patience is a good virtue. Like wengine wenu ukatu kuata kama I'm not doing anything, I'm so sorry. I apologize. I will try and maximize on these opportunities. And yeah, so let's get to the forest. How this place looks like. Ile Dome 7. So we are going inside there, and yeah, mi naenda huko. This is where I'm coming from, and yeah, this is where we are going. So this is how the forest looks like. Guy, imejaa yani, like you can't even see. Yani, it's so bushy in here. Look at that. Look. So this is how the forest looks like right now. Mi hata sijui forest inakaa aje. It was not looking like this. Everything is grown everywhere, and when I was here kulikuwa na njia hapa. Actually there is a girl who rolled from up there. So pale juu kabisa there is the path that brings you to the dormitory section. Alafu this other side was the girls' dormitory. But now I'm not seeing anyway. Hata zile za huko juu zimefungwa. So now this is how this place looks like. So this is the Hindo stream. So I've not seen any monkey by the way. Huko juu kuna kaa hivi. Are you seeing? And then there are some drizzles of rain. So if you're planning to come to Western, kindly jipack na ma scarf na ma sweater. And this is where we are. Huku I have a panga. So huku tunaweza patana na nyoka, monkeys. Kuna look at that, so pretty. Imagine a school inside a forest. Nyinyi mlisoma wapi kwani? Imagine right now. Hii ni stream ya maji. So hii yote ni forest. So when I was here tulikuwa na njia hapa ya kupita hapa going to the dormitories za madem, za boys ziko huku. But now sasa hakuna njia. Hizo routes zote zishafungwa. And I don't know how people access the forest. The forest is so bushy. Huko hata tunaweza kutana na nyoka. Mniombe if anything happens to me because I'm doing this for you. I'm the gazelle. And welcome here. The ghost of Gilbert. Nimetoka kuona babu huko chini akanipea champs. So when I get out of this forest, nitakuwa zingri. Oh my god. So I did not die. Inaendelea kwenda. Inaenda hivyo, it joins with Kakamega Forest. And yeah, this is where we are coming from. Nawapenda sana. Nimewapeleka fore. And make sure you subscribe. If you're an alumni, tell me what you want to see from this. This is your farm. And yeah, mniambie kile mnadai kuona. And I will be glad to show you. Nimeona walimu wenu, wengine wameshabai magari. And yeah, this is the number that comes to my head. Ooh, when I think of all the years I wanna be with you. Wake up every morning with you in my head. That's precisely what I plan to do.